putting the viewing station up for the Formula One. 2 months away.
I am a socket, you are the plug. Please put $1 in this motherfucking cup.
Pizza, and it's very reasonable, under $10 a slice. And that Istanbul Mediterranean, $15.99 for a euro. Very mignon. I think that's something you can eat out of your Winnebago. Doc Donuts. It'll be interesting to see because Chapel is scheduled to make this one Saturday Night Live early November. Next 96 time. 2 tenders and fries, $13.47. 2 sliders and fries, $15.47. Pretty steep. It's pretty popular though. Blake Sheldon was supposed to do a residency here at Old Red. But I keep seeing him on television doing other shit, so I don't know if he... I don't know. They got a line even on Wednesday. I wonder if Blake Sheldon might have some ownership in that, because Old Red was his song, wasn't it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go to the crowded places in the middle of the week, and you can actually see what's going on. You can breathe. Saturday night, you cannot walk down this corridor right here. It's so damn crowded, and you can't get one of these dirt dogs. Look at this. No smoking in or near the bar. Well, good for them. Finally, someone's saying something I like. Like right here, you can't smoke. Don't be smoking in that bar, or not out here either. Or these guys will come out and kung fu chop. That guy right there, he's a kung fu chopper. Alright, here's their prices. Chili dog, $11.75. I hear that's the best in Vegas. Seriously, my brother had it. He's a connoisseur. DUI dog. Wow, Shiana Brown will like that. It's an inside joke. 6 for $13.95 for the chicken wings. I would stick to the dogs here, or the cheesesteaks. That looks like a bottle. Mexican Coke, $4.95. Looks like glass. When I say bottle, I mean glass. Yeah, there it is, right there. That's glass. Look at them dogs. Yeah, he knows what he's doing.